ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Dialogue on Justice, Development, Geopolitics of the Horn concludes. Ministry of Education assessment meeting conducted. US lobs Indian firms with anti-Russia sanctions. And how the summer in record could lead to the warmest year ever measured. On our local news, the three-day dialogue on justice, development and geopolitics organized by the Ministry of Justice concluded at Asmara Palace Hotel. In her concluding remark, Ms. Fawzia Hashim, Minister of Justice, commended the experts who participated in the dialogue for sharing their knowledge and expertise. She expressed her belief that the diverse opinions and insights sharing during this and previous dialogues will significantly contribute to the deeper understanding of the issues discussed. Ms. Fawzia also noted that Eritrea's advocacy for peace and security in the region stems for that belief that peace and security for Eritrea can only be achieved through peace and security for the entire region. She underscored that in order to achieve justice and development for the people of Eritrea and the region, it is essential to continuously cultivate national unity and further strengthen state institutions. The participants commended for the initiative Eritrea took to share experience and ideas as well as to actively participate. Of the participants, the dialogue featured research papers and various topics by Eritrean and foreign experts, and extensive discussion was conducted on the research paper presented. The dialogue was attended by legal experts from Eritrea, Senegal, Ethiopia, Italy, Lebanon, Belgium, France, Nicaragua, and other countries with substantial knowledge of the subject. The Ministry of Education held an assessment meeting on 4th and 5th September to review the progress of the educational activities for 2023-2024 academic year and the outline program for 2024 and 2025. The meeting was attended by heads of departments, branches, and units within the Ministry of Education. During the meeting, heads of the Education Office branch in the subzone, representatives from Sawa Vocational Training Center, and Eritrean community schools in Saudi Arabia and Sudan presented their activity reports. The reports focused on a wide range of activities from kindergarten to high school education and literacy programs, community contribution to the development of the teaching and learning process, national examination results, and cultural, sports, and health activities. Their reports also highlighted both achievements and challenges encountered. Participants engaged in extensive discussion on the report and adopted various recommendations. This included giving due attention to the human resources development thoroughly reviewing students' discipline, establishing kindergartens in schools, and addressing the shortage of mother language teachers, among other issues. The Dandan Award was presented to 268 outstanding students, including 108 females from the southern region for their exceptional performance in 2024-2023 National School Leaving Examination. The awards are the members of the 36th round of the National Service. At the awards ceremony held in Mandafera, Mr. Girmay Gabru, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the subzone, emphasized that the Dandan Award is part of the ongoing effort to improve the performance of the school and students. He stated that the main objective of the award is to recognize these top-performing students and inspire their peers to strive for academic excellence. Mr. Habta Abdesfatien, Governor of the Southern Region, extended his congratulations to the awardees, their parents, and their teachers. He also encouraged the students to continue working hard in their education in order to become competitive and successful. The Dandan Award, sponsored by the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students and the Ministry of Education, is now in its third year of recognition. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Washington has included 2 Mumbai-registered companies that it say are linked to Arctic LNG-2 project. Washington imposed sanctions on Thursday on the Indian-based companies which it claims linked to Russia's Arctic LNG-2 project, which is partly owned and developed by Novatek, the country's largest liquefied natural gas producer. The U.S. State Department and the states that the sanctions are aimed to impose a further cost on those supporting Russia war effort and attempting to expand Russia's global energy leverage. The U.S. Treasury included 2 companies, Gotik and Pleo Energy, which are registered in Mumbai, India's financial capital, and its specially designated national and bloc persons list. Our last news. Summer 2024 sweltered the Earth's hottest record, making it even more likely that this year will end up as the warmest humanity has measured, European Climate Service Copernicus reported on Friday. The northern meteorological summer, June, July, and August, averaged 16.8 degrees Celsius according to Copernicus. That is 0.03 degrees Celsius warmer than the old record in 2023. Copernicus records go back to 1940s, but American, British, and Japanese records, which started in the mid-19th century, shows the last decade has been the hottest since regular measurements were taken and likely in about 120,000 years, according to some scientists. The August of both 2024 and 2023 tied for the hottest August globally in 16.82 degrees Celsius, and July is the first time more than in a year that the world did not set a record, a tad behind 2023, because June 2024 was much hotter than June 2023. This is a summer as whole was the hottest, Copernicus director Carlo Otompo said. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Dialogue on justice, development, and geopolitics of the Horn concluded. Ministry of Education assessment meeting conducted. U.S. slaps Indian firms with anti-Russia sanctions. And hottest summer in record could lead to the warmest year ever measured. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.